Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to manage who can see your LinkedIn email address on your PC. Following the latest LinkedIn update, protecting your privacy online is more important than ever, and LinkedIn gives you control over who can access your contact information. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything related to your privacy and visibility on LinkedIn. Next, on the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click on the Visibility tab. This section is all about who can see your profile information and how you appear to others on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see or download your email address. Click on this option to open your email visibility settings. Here, you'll see a few choices for who can view your email address. You can select first-degree connections, which limits visibility to only those you're directly connected with. If you want to be a bit more open, you can choose first- and second-degree connections. This allows both your direct connections and their connections to see your email address. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. It's that simple. You can always come back and adjust these settings whenever you want, depending on your networking needs or privacy preferences. Taking a moment to review these settings ensures your contact details are only visible to the people you trust. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.